Hey guys, it is Michi, owner of Headlines by DeFranco Salon and Posh Collection Women's Boutique, where we retail hair, beauty, apparel, all that great stuff. So make sure you guys follow me on IG at Mad About Michi, as well as my boutique, I Love Posh Collection, and shop iloveposhcollection.com. So I'm gonna show you guys how to install what I call a beginner's wig. This is a wig with the closure unit. It's simple to install and you can put it on and take it off every day. So let's get started, guys. So this is the Malaysian mink texture here. This wig unit can be purchased on our website. The knots have already been bleached, and I'm just gonna show you guys how I curl it and how quickly you can install this unit. Okay, so first I'm going to show you guys just a quick braiding technique that you can do under your wig. Like, I really do not try to make like perfect braids or anything like that. I just need something real quick to put my wig unit on. All this gray in my hair, I'm just telling y'all all my business. That's 44 years of stress. Okay. So what I like to do when I'm just doing a regular closure, like if I take the time and just really, you know, part my hair off, like sometimes I'll just throw the unit on, but the way I'm gonna show you guys today is how to really make it look natural. So you wanna just leave some leave out on the side where your closure is not gonna be. Just keep in mind when you're doing your leave out, you know, how you would want it to look like, say if the wind was to blow or something like that. This is the hair that's going to keep you from seeing that band on your unit, okay? Now you do not want to leave anything out at the top. So from temple to temple, we're gonna braid all that back. Not even a little bit, okay? Because the way I'm gonna show you in this particular video, this particular technique, you don't wanna leave any hair out. So wherever your closure is gonna sit, you wanna make sure you braid that here. You don't have to try to do super neat braids or super small, because again, this is just a quick method for you to do at home. See, that's simple. Just looks like a little plait when you're about to get your hair pressed out, nothing serious. Some people like to judge on braids, but it's not that serious for braids, okay? You're not gonna see the braids. Just make sure the top is as flat as possible. Arm break. Arm break. So if you look like Miss Sophia from The Color Purple, then that means you did it right, baby. So now you just need a stocking wig cap. This is the beige. So they have lighter colors as well if you need a lighter color. They also have darker colors if you need it, but the beige works really well with my skin tone. So we're just gonna put that on like so. Make sure all your hair is back inside of there. That's all you need, guys. So now, guys, I'm just gonna go in and just slightly pluck the closure. You know I love my hot comb. So I'm just gonna just hot comb it to the back just so I can see the lace better. So I've already bleached the knots. So now I'm just gonna go in and just slightly pluck it. You don't have to pluck like crazy. You just want to thin it out just a bit to give it a softer look and take out that harsh line. So now let's curl her. I actually curl better on this side, so I switch sides. So I just actually want like a really loose curl. I love loose curls. I'm gonna curl her with my little purple thingamajiggies. These are Hot Shot tools. I really like how these work. And then of course, got my hot comb so I could define her part in the middle, and then just like, you know, the little duck clips so you can hold the curls up as they cool so your curls won't fall out so fast. And it's always easier to curl your wig unit on a mannequin stand than it is on your head. I feel like if you curl it on a mannequin stand, then you could see the back really well. You could see the front. You could put however many curls in it you want. But if you're trying to style it on your own head, your visibility is limited. So you're not going to do as good of a job as you would if you were on a mannequin head. So I already shampooed her using the Posh Collection Lavish Lock shampoo and conditioner, and I sprayed her down with our Tame My Tangles leave-in conditioner, so you can see it already has a natural shine. So this is what your baby should look like when you are done with her. I know she looks crazy, but she's gonna look amazing in a second. So now we're gonna cut the lace off. I'm just gonna go in with a pair of small shears and literally just cut right up against the hairline. I'm not leaving any additional lace. That's all you're doing, just cutting that additional lace off. So now I'm just gonna install my unit. As you can see, a couple of the clips came off as I was taking off my mannequin, but that's fine. Just gonna slide this bad boy on. I like to pull it where I want it in the front first, and then just slowly work your way around. Pulling it down over your braids. Just gonna move these out of my way so I can see what I'm doing here. And I just want it to sit about here. So a lot of people don't hold their units down with anything. As you can see, this is perfectly on my head without any pins, any stitching, anything. It's fine, but I don't like going out the house like that. It's just not safe, okay? So what I'm just gonna do is just on the sides, where my cap is and my braid, I'm just going in and sticking a couple of hairpins in it. That feels secure already. All you're doing is going in your unit. You're not in the lace, so you're fine. You're not tearing anything up. Your lace is here, okay? But I just like to stick maybe about 5 or 6 hairpins in my head, just to make sure if I go swimming and somebody want to play around, that I don't end up on Instagram on the shade room. It's not happening. So there's a couple of ways you can lay your lace down, but the simplest way for at-home use is with the Gots to Be spray. You have to do it on your skin. It's not going to stick to your hair. So you have to do it on your skin. So a lot of people feel like wig units pull your edges out. Wig units do not pull your edges out because they're not supposed to touch your edges. You're supposed to glue or put any adhesive or, you know, blasting spray. It's supposed to actually go on your skin. So let's get that straight now. On my skin. And instantly just hold it down. You just want to get a cool dryer. Just gonna go in a little bit more. Hold the ends down with my comb. Got another little spot there. My comb, push it down. So that's it. That's all you have to do to hold it down. As you can see, it's on there, nice and secure. And then I'll just go in just with like a baby wipe to get any excess spray off my skin. And I put my makeup on before I did this video, so I'm gonna have to reapply that, but that's not an issue. And I'm not a big fan of baby hair. So what I usually do is just spray the Gots to Be on my finger, and I'll just kind of rough out my edges. Just so it doesn't look too just straight across in the front, but not all that extra baby hair. I'm 44 years old. They're gonna be like, girl, bye, with the baby hair. Okay, now she's in, so we're just gonna take our clips out. Now let's style. See what leaving your leave out does? Look how that flows with the wig. You don't have that braid or that cap sitting right there. You have actual hair. Edges. And we didn't put any heat on our edges, so they're totally fine. So again, this is the beginner unit from Posh Collection, our beginner wig units. And what a beginner wig unit is simply a wig unit that has a closure on it, so it's easier to install. So as you can see, it's still staying intact. I just kind of play around with it. And if you want fuller curls, all you have to do is use like a smaller curler. But just look at that. Just look. how your closure and your natural hair just kind of stop. That's how I like my wigs to look. I don't like my wig to just, you know, my hair is pulled back and the wig is just sitting on top of my head. If the wind blows, I need you guys to think that this is my hair. So this is how I like to do my units. And we didn't put any glue, any adhesives in our hair, so we don't have to commit ourselves to wearing this unit, you know, for months at a time. We can take it off at night, and it only takes 2 seconds to put it right back in. Be sure to follow me on IG at MadAboutMeechie, as well as my women's boutique at I Love Posh Collection. And if you guys love this wig unit, be sure to shop our website, iloveposhcollection.com, where you can get this unit as well as other hair extension items, women's apparel, and beauty accessories. If you like this unit, go to the website and search for wigs. This is our beginner's wigs. We also have premium units as well as custom units and an all new service, which is wig leasing. You'll hear more about that soon. So thank you guys, and I'll see you soon.